Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at trip.com and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at trip.com, and as you can see, trip.com is a place where you can book hotels and homes. You can book flights, even trains, car services. You can also list your properties. So it does appear that this also is a place where you can find a homestay, similar to something like Airbnb or booking.com, et cetera, et cetera. This is something that if you're looking for something like this, you might want to consider trip.com. Now, is trip.com worth it? Well, with sites like this, it's always a good idea to do some comparative shopping. So if you are looking to make a trip, then by all means, come to trip.com, take a look, see if you find a deal that is good for you. Now, having said that, doing a little bit of research on trip.com, well, it does appear that on some websites like Trustpilot, it does have a high rating at 4.3. However, on the Better Business Bureau, it gives it a lower score of 1.2. So this discrepancy suggests that while some users find the service satisfactory and affordable, others have experienced significant issues, particularly with cancellation policies and customer services. Users have reported problems such as being unable to cancel bookings marked as uncancelable, receiving multiple booking reference numbers for a single trip, and facing difficulties in contacting customer support. Some users have also complained about false advertising regarding the ability to modify or cancel bookings. Despite these issues, many users praise the website for offering affordable deals and easy booking processes. Given the mixed feedback, it is advisable to carefully review the terms and conditions before making any bookings and be cautious about the potential difficulties in making changes to your travel plans. It's also recommended to read reviews from multiple sources in order to get a balanced perspective. So, again, as I said, if you are looking to make a trip and you want to do some comparative shopping, well, you might want to come to trip.com and see what it offers. But just be aware that while some people have a good experience with trip.com, unfortunately, not everybody does. There seems to be some mixed responses in that regard. So it's a good idea to shop around and look for the best deal, but also take into consideration that you might have some issues if you want to change any details on your trip or if you need to contact customer service. Sometimes it's not always reliable. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.